sociological pressure cooker in high school. This was busy, struggling, outsider like Monday, resenting someone like Stacey Barnes who made it look so easy to be popular as well as destructive. That strong resentment was already festering when Stacey began to the object of a typical high school